Imagine it's midnight when alarms suddenly start ringing in a secret control room. Huge screens flicker to life, and satellites in space send signals. Radar systems detect movement thousands of kilometers away. A scientist whispers, "Something is coming, prepare the defense system." But how can a country detect danger before it even reaches its borders? Is there technology that can watch the entire Earth from above? Today, we will uncover the secret technologies that countries employ to protect themselves during wars, technologies that almost seem to leap from the pages of science fiction. Long before any soldier sees an enemy, satellites in orbit are already watching. These silent guardians hover high above Earth, providing critical data. They can take detailed photographs of enemy bases, track ships across oceans, monitor missile launches, and send secure communication signals. One satellite image can reveal an entire military base from the sky, similar to a video game where you see the full map from above. In essence, satellites function as giant cameras floating in the cosmos, enabling countries to gather intelligence and maintain a strategic advantage. Now, what if an adversary sends a missile or aircraft flying toward a country? This is where radar technology comes into play. Radar sends out invisible radio waves, which bounce back upon hitting an object. Computers analyze these returning signals to determine the distance, speed, and direction of the object. In mere seconds, the system can identify that something is flying toward us. What's remarkable is that radar operates effectively even in darkness, through clouds, and during storms, serving as an invisible detection shield that guards nations and lives. Next, consider the rise of war robots, drones. Imagine a flying machine without a pilot that can soar through the skies for hours, capturing video footage and conducting missions. Drones are versatile, capable of monitoring borders, locating enemy positions, delivering supplies, and sending real-time imagery to soldiers. Some advanced models utilize artificial intelligence, allowing them to analyze situations and respond autonomously, functioning like a robotic pilot navigating the expansive skies. Moreover, modern warfare extends beyond physical battlefields. It often unfolds in the digital realm, an arena known as cyber warfare. Hackers pose threats to critical infrastructure, targeting power stations, banking systems, communication networks, and government servers. The loss of control over these systems can plunge an entire nation into chaos. To counteract these threats, countries establish cyber defense centers, akin to digital soldiers who safeguard their respective computer systems. Additionally, consider the prowess of super-fast missiles. These advanced projectiles can travel hundreds or even thousands of kilometers at speeds exceeding that of sound. Some missiles are engineered to be so swift that they can reach their targets within minutes. They feature sophisticated guidance systems that enable them to alter their course in midair, resembling smart rockets that know precisely where to go. Such advancements in missile technology amplify a nation's defense capabilities and strike potential. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming warfare, acting as a game-changer in how information is processed and analyzed. AI can sift through vast amounts of data gathered from satellites, radar systems, drones, and sensors, detecting patterns and alerting military operatives in mere seconds. This technology enhances decision-making by allowing military leaders to rely on AI as a highly efficient and rapid brain, significantly reducing the time required to analyze critical data. However, it is vital to remember that technology itself is neutral. Its impact hinges on how humans choose to utilize it. While the power of war technology may seem exhilarating, the core purpose of such advancements should always be peace and protection. Scientists and engineers devote their efforts to creating these systems with the primary objective of preventing conflicts and maintaining national security. The most enlightened application of technology lies not in its potential to destroy but in its capacity to shield lives and promote a brighter, more secure future for all. If you're passionate about exploring fascinating science and technology stories, welcome to KiddosTech. Here, we transform complex scientific concepts into engaging narratives, mysteries, and adventures tailored for students. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of our Tech Explorer community. In our next episode, we will unveil even more astonishing innovations that are set to change the world forever.